unfortunately, my last 3 days of my trip to Amman here in Jordan. I've been already 3 weeks and I'm pretty tired from the trip, so I spoiled myself a little bit. And I'm checking in the Four Seasons in Amman as I can use a little bit. Welcome to the Capitale restaurant and vibrant bar. It's a pretty nice place to hang out in the evening. As you can see, this is during the day, so it's like pretty quiet and easy. But tonight, I'm gonna have dinner here out on the terrace. Staying at the Four Seasons here in Amman, you have to come check out the photo gallery on the first floor. It's the photo gallery of Mohammed Muhaisin. He's a very popular and famous National Geographic photographer. I know him also from Instagram, and he has some really cool photos here.